Trashing trick or treat. Tell your neighbors how you die. It's our town. Everybody's screaming in this town of Halloween. I am the one hiding under your bed. Teeth ground sharp and eyes glowing red.
I am the one hiding under your stairs. Fingers like snakes and spiders in my hair.
Everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do a Halloween look. Now it's not going to be scary this time because my brother, he wants to be a puppy, so next time it'll probably be scary, so yeah. But he wants to be a puppy, so I'm going to turn him into a puppy using the horror makeup palette that we got today, and he's super excited. He's eating McDonald's right beside of me, so pop in, say hi. You want to say hi?
Dead doll.
But yeah.
Do you want some?
No, shush.
No.
So yes, let's get on ahead and let's get right on in to the videos. Well, this is my little brother Preston, and we are gonna go ahead and get right into it. Okay.
Do you want some Paul?
Preston, put that down.
I'm
Alright,
dead.
so first,
I'm judging.
get drunk, then. We are going to paint his face white. Stop it. No.
I got pop on me.
Stop it. I don't care. Alright, so I'm going to paint his face all white.
Alright.
Actually, hold on. Let's start with drawing on our puppy dog eyes. Yeah.
Got to be bad.
This is black.
Jimmy.
Stop burping. Okay. Stop it. Preston, I'm gonna stop if you don't stop. In this town. Maybe I'll see what I'm doing.
No, I want to be a puppy.
Fine, he still wants to be a puppy. Stay still. Don't do that, Kenneth.
I want a puppy.
You're not an actual puppy.
I want a puppy.
Okay, you can bark like a puppy. Alright, stop! Man, stop it. Just sleep your head up. Stop it, it's nasty. Stop it or I'll stop. I mean it.
I mean it.
Okay, so I kind of also filling it in
Oh, so you start dying.
as I do that. Alright. As I said, I'm filling it in, so if you don't stop. We are kind of using also
here.
a reference. I don't know if you guys can see him, because like I want you guys to see him. Turn your head this way so I can do this side.
Here.
Kind of make it. Hold that so I can. Thank you. I am loving it. Kind of put it in your eyebrow. Hold. Hold it. Hold it. Thank you. So, he is excited as well. And as I said, he's still eating McDonald's from like a couple hours ago. Hold it. And so, yeah. But like, if you want you guys to do like another one, just like tell me what you want him to be. Or like even me. I'm kind of thinking of doing the, it's like kind of the one I've seen a lot. Close your eyes. Not that hard. Hold. Hold it right. Alright. brush this while we're doing this. But that's his outline of his little eye. We gotta fill the bottom in a little bit more. Stop chewing. Okay, you want to poke your eyeball? Because that's what's gonna happen if you don't stop. Okay, when Peyton goes in your eye, I don't want to hear it.
I hate you.
I love you too. Little puppy off. Okay, sit back. This is what.
Ah! Yeah.
Okay, so I think I have a black eyeshadow that I'm not set with. Alright, so now since we kind of got this, we're going to make another one right about here because he's going to be kind of like a Dalmatian puppy. So.
And let's also go ahead and do the nose.
You look at Autumn? You're gonna look exactly like her. Hey, come back. So, if anybody has any looks, you know, just kind of like put it on my Instagram, and I'm gonna put my Instagram up into the top corner so you guys can stop. You don't stop when we get in your nose. Pretty, you got it on your face. That's not funny.
I want everyone to see.
Pre. They can see.
How a game.
So this is what we got so far. You gotta stay still so I can get this done before my phone dies, buddy. But anyway. Stop it now or we'll be done. Stop it. Stop it. I think you should have been a skeleton. Made it look cool. Stop!
Now you help me.
I'm sorry. No.
Get your hair off of my head.
Do you want me to do it right or do it terrible? Okay, show them what the...
Okay, he kind of smashed it, we can fix that. Wait, enough. You do a little patch right here. No, this puppy. No, you do all right. Let's do a patch right here. It look like.
Turn that way, at the camera. Honey,
Honey, Sana,
I'm not sober anymore.
I'm not Sana anymore.
Mommy, please forgive me.
Mommy, tell me to give me.
If it's meant to be, it'll be,
It'll
it'll be. Baby, just let it be.
But why with me? Why with me?
See where this thing goes. Close your eyes.
If
If it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, just let it be.
Because why with me? Why with me?
See where this thing goes.
Will it be? It'll be. It'll be.
Baby, just let it be. Turn that way.
No,
No, that way.
Why with me? Somewhere zero. A B and B and B turning in a B. So why with me? Why with me? And then you know my B and B.
Sorry, I lost the footage, guys. But, you know, in the end, I just put dots on his face right here. Drew a line down the middle. Added some, like, whiskers. And I drew a tongue right here. And I'll insert a picture of it. But I'm sorry. The next one will be totally a lot better. I haven't been filming as usual, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to add me and follow me on Instagram, and the link is in the description below.